All right, day 6, Kauai. We do have a helicopter ride scheduled for today. Hoping to pull that off. Hope to do a little snorkeling and a few other cool things. So here we go. All right, we are in a cave right across from Hyena Beach. It's a fairly wide cave, and got to ourselves. We're just kind of looking around. All right, we are at Anini Beach. We're gonna do a little bit of snorkeling on our own. It's a good beach for this. It's the waves break way out there, and it's got a little roped off, large area that is very calm waters. We'll see if we see anything. It won't be quite as crazy as the last time, but should be fun. So we're looking at this little reef area. This is basically a big rock, smaller than a car. And look at all the fish. There's some cool fish in there. And then next to Becky, this turtle appears. These turtles were a highlight of our snorkeling. We saw probably about 10 or so. It was quite a bit of fun snorkeling on our own, and we always felt safe about it.
Okay, we're waiting in the car because we can't get supposed to get out until the pilot comes and gets us.
Waiting in the car for a helicopter ride.
Yeah, oh man.
So we're gonna look at the Na Pali Coast, waterfalls.
We hope all those things. Yeah. Although clouds over there. Yikes.
The pilot, I guess, could have said it. We're good. We're excited to do this.
Yeah.
It's kind of the, not the end of a trip, but the last big thing we have scheduled.
Oh yeah. It's the biggest thing we have scheduled.
Yeah. But it's, yeah. If only one more thing would happen this trip, it would be to do this.
Yeah.
So, we went with the doors off option. It's going to be more windy, and you have to have all your stuff secured to you. But it should be a little bit more better views and maybe a little bit more exciting.
Right. Can't drop the phone or anything.
Can't drop the phone. I have to wear your seatbelt this time. Our pilot's name is Dylan.
Dylan.
Yep. Going to Dylan's. Cool. Follow me. I'm going to mute the helicopter because it was really loud. I'm just going to show you a few clips that we recorded. This was definitely a highlight of our trip. We saw so much of Kauai from the air, and we've been enjoying it from the ground, and seeing it from the air is just even more spectacular. So enjoy these clips. I won't show you too many, because it can go on for, we were there for about an hour, so it could go on for quite a while, but we'll just show you a couple of the highlights here.
Oh, that's tangled.
A little windy up there. She lost a chunk of hair in the look sideways again. Look that way. Okay. Time to hit some dessert. Fix her hair. I only got time for one of those. I only got time for one of those. What'd you get, Maggie?
I had to make an alteration to the ube overload because I didn't quite have enough ube. There's ube shave ice, ube ice cream, ube crunch, and then an ube caramel drizzle.
All right, going for a little jog to help end the day with a workout because we didn't get to hike 8 miles or anything like that.